ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another video, guys. So today, guys, we're going to be playing BloxPiece. If you remember it, guys, maybe I didn't do a video about it, but anyway, so guys, today we're going to be playing it. In this video, I'm gonna be showcasing you the new. There is a new fruit named as Spring, and also there are a bunch of new fruits. And also here, as you see here, it says here 2 new fruits, and also there is a Sword Island and more. So guys, this is really good. So I literally now have the Spring one. It's strong, but it's not invisible for NPCs like Chop and this all. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna enter it and showcase you the moves that I've opened, and when I guys finish, when I enter, I'm gonna go ahead and come back. Okay guys, I'm back, and here we go, we've entered. So I'm gonna get the spider slide. Okay, here we go. So guys, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna showcase you some moves now. So literally, guys, now I have only 2 moves: the Death Knock and the Spring Slide. But I don't have the Spring Cannon and the Spring Leap. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna showcase you guys what I have now. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, a like and subscribe and turn notification bells to never miss a video. And now guys, we're gonna get to the video. Okay. So guys, so what I'm gonna do right now is I wanna go ahead and get the mission. Okay, first get this treasure over there. Saints goodness that I found this treasure. Okay, we're gonna get the quest. Okay, here we go. So now, what I'm gonna do, and also guys, if you didn't know, first I have to hack it. This is really good. It's perfect. Oh my guys, I have my mastery 30, and I need mastery. Okay, sorry, 60. This is insane. Okay, what do we want? Hello, man. Hello. Okay, hello. Can I just kill you? You smash it. Oh no. You didn't get it. Oh no, it's this man. Oh my god. This dude has a dark. Guys, this is insane if you don't know it. I literally want to do a showcase about it, but don't have it. I want to get really another one that's really good so I can showcase some. Oh my god. I really need to grind a lot, and a few days ago, I had troubles with my internet, so I couldn't do anything, you know. You know the thing, guys. Oh, dude, stop it! Just stop it! Smash! Okay, no, please stop. Go to sky, go to anywhere. Okay, just go. Okay, I'm gonna hit you. Oh, okay, so this man is really so strong. Okay. Now I'm really angry. So what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna go to him. Hello, dude. Hello. Can I just kill you? Do this so fast. Hello, man. Yeah. Yes. Find me, buddy. Okay, just find me, buddy. Find me. Where did you find me? I will not fight you. I say fight you. Okay. But at all. This guy just says how I literally fight. Okay. Alright. I'm gonna say to him, wait. I'm gonna say to him, wait. Okay, we'll get here. Can we fight? Because I am showcasing the spring fruit. That's what I'm gonna say. Because I'm showcasing the spring fruit. Okay, we will begin in Okay, he said we can end. 3, 2, 1. Okay, guys, we're gonna just go. Okay, guys, so now, okay, I'm gonna do. Okay, he accepted our thing. Okay, so I'm gonna hear. No, perfect. Oh, no. Oh, okay, let's go here. No way. How did I miss this? Okay. So I know now. Okay, I know so sick guys. Nope. So guys, what do you wanna do? Oh no. First, don't make this dog food. No. We gotta like okay, because I'm gonna trick him. Oh no, I let it like. Oh, what? They has a gun? Okay, oh, it went to. No, please. I'm gonna say, okay guys, I gotta say GG. Yeah. Okay. We lost. But okay, I'm gonna say to him a lie. Okay, I'm gonna say to him a lie. So we don't kill each other. Go. Okay guys, so I'm gonna see if Tempest accept. Okay guys, so now I will see Dark Sark is so OP and I have 30,000. We wanna go ahead and check out we wanna go ahead and check out the new the dark how much is it, so I can really grind to showcase it to you guys, of course. Though not because I have okay. No bad at all. So now I'm gonna go ahead, guys. Do you see this over there? Sloop over there. Guys, we're gonna get it. We're gonna go ahead and take it, dude. Yes, we're gonna take it, buddy. Okay. This is perfect, man. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm gonna go ahead and take it. But I think it was something like 300. I mean, like 300,000. Something like this. So, but literally, I cannot afford. I'm gonna go ahead and train my my spring. So guys, I'm gonna showcase it to you guys. I'm gonna be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. Okay, so literally I had something to do now. Okay, sword, alright, perfect. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, alright guys. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take them. Okay, okay. Can I just take this? Look guys, so it is invisible for the NPCs. That's what I want. Okay, please sir, can I give the no, please. Wait a second. Someone loves it, glue. Yeah. Dude, this is strong. I need this dark right now. It's really OP. Or I'm gonna get something invisible for NPCs like this. I mean, I wanna get chop, something like this. I mean, I really wanted to get it, but it is out of stock from when I wanted to get it. So, guys, do we go ahead and check it out? Or no? I'll continue our mission. I really don't know, but I want to get the chop until I showcase this freaking spring. Okay, alright, so perfect. It's really hard. Dude, I mean, guys, we're thinking it is not invisible for the something. Okay. Literally. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and check out the chop shop if anyone of you guys. Guys, if anyone of you guys don't know the chop shop or something, so I can showcase it to you, because don't buy any fruit you don't know, because literally this will be so sad for you, or terrible, like me. At first I thought the gum was invisible for NPCs, but literally it must. In the anime it was, but here it is not. So I was so sad. It was back then, it was worth 100,000. Now the spring, I thought it at the same way, but it is not. So literally I became so angry, and I want to get the chop one. Okay, I just see here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the different fruit. dealer. So it's okay. Here you go. You guys are gonna be we will see it as I saw, out of stock. As I saw, you see. Oh my $500,000. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, guys. This is impossible to get. Oh my god. Guys, I promise you, I'm going to try my best to open all the prank moves. As you see, you can't get the dark with it. Literally, it's $500,000. How am I supposed to get it? I literally don't know. I don't know. Okay, guys. So, guys, this was the video. So, I hope you all enjoyed this video, guys. Like it or don't, of course. And if you enjoyed, please remember to give this video a like and subscribe and turn notification bells when I promise a video. And also subscribe to my friends' channels. So link in the description below. And guys, I'm gonna be doing a group on Roblox, but not now, literally. So guys, be sure that you turn on notifications so I can notificate you guys that when I'm going to do the group, or if I did it. And I'm gonna be naming it, guys. I'm gonna write it here. I'm gonna be naming it game played the enemy. Maybe I didn't know. I didn't know, buddy. Okay. So guys, be notified and everything because I'm gonna be doing it maybe soon here. Okay, right? And now, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Wait a second. What? Okay, guys, I'm sorry for this. I'm really sorry for this. I'm sorry, guys, for what happened now, but I'll see you guys in the next video.